Hello guys, I'm Udav Chaudhary and welcome back to another video of tips and tricks. And today I'm gonna tell you a trick of math from which you can easily remember the tables from 11 to 99. All the tables of all the two digits numbers. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So sorry guys, I was not able to upload the videos for such a long time because I was having my exams. So now they are over, so I'll try to upload videos regularly. So now let's start with today's video. For example, we have a number 12. It has two digits only, which one digit is 1 and the other digit is 2. So what we are going to do is write the table of 1 here and the table of 2 here. So let's start with the table of 1. So now we have written the table of 1. So now it's time to write the table of 2. So now we have to write the table of 12. We have written it. So if there are two digits numbers, what are we going to do is write them as it is. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours is 48, 12 fives is 60 as we know. But here there are three digit numbers. So what are we going to do is add the first two digits. So 12 fives is 60, 12 sixes is 72, it's 6 plus 1 and write the last digit as it is. And now for 12 sevens we are going to do the same thing. So 12 sevens is 84, 12 eights is 96, 12 nines is 9 plus 1 and 8, so that is 10 and 8, so 12 nines is 108. And if there are 4 digit numbers, what you have to do is add the middle two numbers. So 12 tens is 120. So now we are done with the table of 12 and I'm going to show you some more examples. So guys, for this the main important thing is that you should remember the tables from 1 to 9. So now let's take another example. Let's take the number 37. It also has two digits, one is 3 and other one is 7. So what are we going to do is write the table of 3 here and the table of 7 here. So we are going to show it after we write the table. So now guys, we have written the table of 3 and 7 and now we are going to write the table of 37. So as we know that if there are two digit numbers, we are going to write it as it is. For 3 digit numbers, we are going to add the first two. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4, that is 74. Nine plus 2 is 11 and 1, so it equals to 111. Now we are gonna add the between numbers because there are two 4 digit numbers. So 148. Next is 185. So guys, it is 1 and 12. So this is 10 and 10 plus 12 is 22. So that is 2 to 2. Here it is 5, so it's 259. here it is 296. And 37 nines is 20 plus 13, that is 333. And 37 tens is 370. So now we are going to tell you some small examples for this. So guys, here are some small examples that we will be covering. So 63 into 4 is, first you have to remember the table of 6 and 3 for this. So 6 fours is 24 and 3 fours is 12. So we are going to add these two middle ones. So that is equal to 2, 5, 2. So now we are going to do this 49 into 5. That is 4 into 5 is 20. And 9 into 5 is 45. That is 245. And now we are going to do 79 into 8. 7 8s are 56, so we are going to write 56 here. And 9 8s is 72, so 7 here and 2. 5 plus 13, so that is 50 plus 13, that is equals to 63. So 6, 3, 2. So guys, that's enough for today. If you like this video, please click that like button, share this video and subscribe to our channel, and please help us reach to 500 subscribers. Thank you for your time. Till then, goodbye.